Hola amigos, it's Domingo. ¿Cómo estás? So today I will be changing the lenses. I really don't like the look of the orange turn signals, so I'll be changing them out to the smoked style bullet turn signals. I had them installed on my previous bikes and I really like them. And actually I went to the dealership couple of weeks ago and one of the guys showed me these they're LED turn signals, so I'm going to install these as well so you guys can see the difference and hopefully we'll see which one works better. This is how it looks like with the original orange and the smoked lens on the left. Here's a look of the bullet style smoked lens on the left and the LED one on the right. Minor difference when they're turned off, but watch this. Here's how they look like when the lights are turned on. I'm definitely keeping the LED. And just in case you want to see how it looks when it's turning or the hazard lights, there we go. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Highly recommended. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to click the like button. There's more videos on the way, so please subscribe and see you soon. Cheers.